Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of AppTutorial. Today, we will be showing you how to download and install the BlueStacks 5 Android emulator and run any Android app on your Windows. Let's get it started. First, search for BlueStacks on Google and visit the website. Now, you can choose between BlueStacks 10 and 5. BlueStacks 10 runs the hybrid cloud client. BlueStack 5, instead, downloads the app on your PC. Click the green button Download BlueStacks 5 to get the installer. When done, click the file to start downloading the emulator on your computer. Now, wait until the installer creates the BlueStacks 5 icons on your desktop and starts the emulator automatically. If you see the performance warning, don't worry. Just click the white button to read the FAQ and follow the step-by-step guide on how to activate the virtualization on Windows 10. Contrary to what it looks like, the process is pretty simple and fast. Once you have changed the BIOS settings, restart your computer and run BlueStacks from your desktop icon. And here you are. BlueStacks is now using all your CPU cores and can run at full speed. Do you see? Now, you have a perfect Android mobile environment on your desktop computer. You can set everything and also access the Play Store. Search for your preferred Android games, apps, movies, and books. Then click Install to run them directly on your desktop. And that's it. From now on, you can enjoy your mobile apps on Windows. Guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel, follow all the other videos, and comment below. See you next time.